Did you know that New Jersey is currently on a massive statewide mission to dig up and replace thousands of water pipes? I'm SustainableSherri, and here is what you need to know about the water flowing into your home. By 2031, New Jersey law requires all municipalities to replace water service lines that contain lead or galvanized metals.
Hi, so tell me your company, what you're doing, and your name.
So my name is Colby. I work for South State General Contractors. We are replacing the lead service lines in Margate, New Jersey.
Great. Tell me why you're doing this and why it's so important for people's health.
So we're doing this because the galvanized piping is lined with lead, and DEP found out that the lead is causing health problems in pregnancy, drinking it wise and stuff. It's causing some major health problems down the road.
So what do people need to know when you guys show up on their street and you start?
So they just need to know that we'll be shutting their water off for a couple hours, and then we'll replace their service line for their water. And then we'll tell them to flush their system out for about 15 minutes in their bathtub on cold, and then they should be good after that.
Okay, great. Well, we appreciate you making our water safe and clean, so we'll let you get back to your day.
Yes, thank you.
Lead exposure is incredibly dangerous, especially for kids and brain development. But here is the catch. Even if the city replaces the main water line outside, your job isn't done. The construction can temporarily shake up lead inside your older interior pipes. Plus, older fixtures inside your house might still contain lead. That's why you absolutely must have a point-of-use water filter right at your tap. Don't rely just on the municipal lines. Take control of your family's health and filter your water at the source. Check the links in my bio to see the Margate and NJ state tracking maps and to find the right point-of-use filter for your kitchen. Smarter choices mean a healthier home. Make sure to follow for more sustainable real estate and everyday living tips.